your question, Hunter? MMA or boxing? Boxing. I want boxing. Boxing. Boxing, of course. Boxing. Uppercut. I learned boxing before. I think I learned 3 times. Yes, 3 times session. I'm a fighter part-time. What? No, I just want boxing. Oh, really? So that's why. But my full job is a scientist. Oh. When I see you, I'm gonna boxing with because you wasn't smell before I came in. See you, I'm gonna boxing with because you wasn't